All right, guys, let's talk about this trade idea on the 24th of February 2026. So, on this particular day, I didn't trade, but these were the opportunities that are presented. So, if you zoom out a little bit, we are going to see that from the left hand side, we had this sell range and we had this engineered liquidity. So, price came in, made a new low. And from the bigger picture, just for the sake of context, we were in between demand and supply. So, it's very important to understand that because it's going to determine so many decisions we're going to make. So we saw buyers literally like protecting the lows, and from the top we saw sellers doing their thing. So we saw this micro range into the supply, and from here we had this. It could be a shift on the sell side, and on the buy side, it could be a potential liquidity grab. So I would have said this entry is risky, but in the market, everything is a risk. So this entry is something that wasn't really that solid in my own opinion. So there was this potential entry which I would have taken with my stop loss all the way up here. Now, when we had this entry, after we saw buyers exhausted, that was when, okay, I could say that yes, like there's a sign that something is happening. So we saw a transfer of money from this range bar into this guy. Then from here, we had that shift. So we can see we shifted, the bullish order flow was broken. So after we had this break of the bullish order flow, now price pushed into this place. Now I'm very sure a lot of people would have taken losses in this level. This is what some people refer to as a trap. Now, literally, if you have a very good understanding of ranges, even if you took a trade here, you should know that your stop loss is going up here. And these concepts are things I'm going to be covering in my upcoming YouTube videos. So stay tuned. So we had this liquidity sweep. Price came, swept all of this inducement as liquidity, and we had it falling back to TP.